Today we're making keto dry ribs, crispy, juicy, and bursting with flavor. For this recipe, you'll need pork tenderloin and our homemade keto spice rib mix. Cut the pork into bite-sized pieces. Toss the pork in about a quarter cup of the spice rub until every piece is coated evenly. Now lay them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. And bake them at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes until the internal temperature reaches at least 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Or if you want them more done, 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Or if you have an air fryer, you can also air fry these for an extra crispy finish. Pair them with roasted veggies or a fresh salad for the perfect keto meal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more keto-friendly recipes.